Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money on Clickbank fast. So last week my video kind of blew up, the Clickbank for beginners, how to make money on Clickbank for free step by step, and everyone wanted kind of like part two. So we're going to jump into that right now. But before we do that, we need to cover something important. Some people said the video was too long. 34 minutes is not long when you're trying to learn how to make some money online that could potentially change your life. Think about it for a second. Like, it's really, first of all, it's really hard to fit everything into a 30-minute video. Second, if you go through a 30-minute video and you think, okay, this is too long, where someone's teaching you how to make money and potentially change your life, then you don't have the patience to make money online, so stop, okay? That is a really short video. I sit through webinars that are 2-3 hours long. It takes people years to perfect their online business, so yeah. I'll try to keep this short, but it's just sometimes it just can't happen. So let's jump into this, guys. I'm going to show you how you can make money fast with Clickbank and affiliate marketing, because that's what you're here to learn. So how does this work, guys? I'm going to try and be as thorough as I can. First of all, you need to, once again, find products and softwares to promote. And you need to collect emails, really important. And you need to get fast traffic, and then it becomes a passive income, okay? Now, the next step is what it's really in this. So in the last one we're talking about, it's about the angles. In this one, it's more about the offers. So it's about the first offer that we're going to send to people and the email list. These are the two key factors in this method, okay? So first, I kind of want to go over the method, but I actually just want to change something around. Let's just change this around. To make money fast, to make fast money online, you need to actually spend money. Okay, this is something that is a roadblock for people. I get people messaging me saying, how can I do this for free? How can I get this software for free? You need to use softwares and platforms if you seriously want to make money online. Now, back in my other video, we talked about how to do it for free. That's the stepping stone. That's to get you some money so you can reinvest it into websites, you can reinvest it into softwares, programs. I spend thousands a month on programs because they make me money back. You need to actually spend money. Stop trying to be one of those people that like, how can I do this for free? How can I make $1 million for free? How can I get this software for free? How can I get this without paying for it? You will not succeed online. That's just straight the truth. Now, let's move on to the method. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is getting traffic, okay? We're going to be sending it to an email form to collect emails. This is really important. And then we're going to direct them to an offer where we usually make a little bit of money. You might make like 10 to up to 80% of what you've spent on traffic. Okay, this is kind of like, oh, that's kind of like 80% is quite high, but you're going to make back a little bit of money here so you can cover your traffic cost. Okay, and then the email list, these people are going to go into the email list, and this is where you make the big money, guys. Okay, and the kind of offers you want here are going to be $1 trials, products that are under 20 bucks to get in, or monthly, okay? Because the $1 trials usually have upsells, but you want to have a product that's enticing. They've just given you the email to basically, you're going to be giving away something for free, like a cheat sheet or something. They've given you the email, and you don't want to put an expensive offer in front of them, or they're not going to buy it, okay? So what you need, guys, first, I want to show you some stuff, is some bait. So you need like a free ebook. You need something for free to give away. So you have to first think of your niche. Let's take the make money online niche, okay? You can either pay someone or you can write it yourself, a cheat sheet on how to make money online. And then you're going to give that away for free when the traffic comes to it to get their email to promote these offers. And if you think this stuff doesn't work, go and look on YouTube and search how to make money on Clickbank. This is literally how every single person is doing it, is by doing this method that I'm about to show you. So what we do, guys, is first of all, you need to have a platform that can create funnels. I'll show you that. And then obviously you need some products from Clickbank, but we're not going to really go over that because you probably already know that. And then the email marketing, and then some traffic. So to put this into perspective on what I do, so I do this exact same system with my own products and also affiliate products as well. This is my email marketing. We have 5,000 in progress here. So when they come, so what happens is a lot of people will be like, okay, they'll get the email and then they'll be like, all right, I don't know what to do. I'm going to do 4 or 5 emails. I don't make any money. This one here, guys, goes for 4 weeks. This is 4 weeks of emails. And by the end of it, for every dollar that I've spent, I've made back like 7 times that. So I put in $1,000. 4 weeks later, I've made 7,000 or whatever. Right? So there is a lot of work into this, but this is how you make lots of money. So they come into my email here and they go through the flow. Now this is my own product, but it's the same. I have affiliate products down below in this. But you'll see that it goes down, and then this is my offer. So I'm offering products to sell to these people, and they purchase them. And this is where a lot of the money is made. So if you want to make real money with Clickbank and you're not willing to do this, you will not make money. You have to be willing to build an email list to do all of this, okay? And you can keep promoting products over and over again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to create a funnel. This is called ClickFunnels. It's a program that you can pay a monthly fee for, and you collect emails. Really easy to use. I use this and other programs. I use a lot of programs just because some of the other ones are one-time payment that I've used, so I've just kept using them. I'm going to go up to here, and I'm going to go browse funnels, just so my funnels pop up. I could have went down there. I'm going to go add new, guys, and I'm going to add a new funnel. I'm just going to go to create a classic funnel, and I'm going to go to collect emails. Is this our test account? Yeah, collect emails. And we're just going to call this test funnel Clickbank. Okay. Now, this is so what we're building here, guys, is a page where we can collect emails. This is the most important part. You need to be collecting those emails. If you're not, you're not going to make a lot of money with Clickbank or any type of affiliate marketing. You can't really just go and send people to a link anymore. They might purchase the products, unless you're doing the free method I showed you. That's different. But it's people just are not like, oh, we're not, you know, you're going to make money, but you're not going to make a lot of money. The real money is in the list. You hear people say that all the time. So we're just going to get the simple one, guys. Select template, okay? And it loads it up nice and easy, and we can edit the template. Go to edit. Now, this is where we're going to send people. So you're going to want to give away something for free. So discover the number one trick that makes me money, okay? And then let's just say you're giving away a free cheat sheet that doesn't take long. It can takes you like an hour just to write some stuff up about how to make money, okay? I'm just going to get rid of this here. Sorry, get rid of that. I don't want that there. And then you're going to collect the thing. Now you might be saying, Frank, this looks real basic. This is literally all you need to do. If you go and look at any of my opt-in forms, you've probably been through some of them. They are the most simple forms around. And one that I'm just testing out today has over a 70% opt-in rate. It means that when I send 100 people to this, over 70 of them are opting into my form. So keep it clean, keep it simple, and that's it, right? Now, what you want to do is you are going to have an email system. I use GetResponse. That's the one that I use here. And what I do is I create what's called a flow. So I give out the first email, which is the free product or whatever they wanted. And then I might remind them about the offer that I was going to offer them. But what we're going to do here is go to integrations and settings and integrations. And this is where you can integrate whatever email responder you're going to use. But if you want to use ClickFunnels, they have videos on how to do all that, okay? How to integrate everything. We're not going to show that, but I'll just go integrations, get response, and then I can integrate it to whatever email list I want. Now, if we click save, guys, and preview this here and put in our emails, it's now going to submit to the next page. Well, actually, just did a refresh. So what I want to do is change it. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to just get this. We'll just get this product here. Promote. Let's just pretend that this is this is on Clickbank. You promote it. You create your secret link, and then what I'm going to do, guys, is go back to here, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go set action. Go to URL, and I'm going to put my URL in here, and then go to back, and then should go to save. I think, sorry, warning not set. Go to website. Maybe I have to click something, I don't know. Okay, so now what's going to happen, guys, is people are going to get the email, get the thing, and they're going to go to whatever I just offered them. Sorry, this page. So now I have the email, guys. Now I've sent them to this page where I probably will get a commission. But I probably won't make a lot of money here. But this is where everyone gets it wrong. They think, I'm not making money, I'm going to give up. No, you now have these people in your email list. Don't worry about this mess, I'm just testing things. You have these people in your email list where you can send out promotions and promote that product if you like, or another product. So that's really easy how you do that. And then just if we just go back here, you just promote this link, okay? Or transfer it to your own website if you want to make it cleaner, but you just use this link. Now, how do you get traffic? This is, a lot of people think Facebook, Instagram, paid traffic like that. No. The best traffic for Clickbank products is what we call solo ads. Because the reason why is solo ads are designed specifically for affiliate offers. What this is, guys, is you go and purchase traffic from these people for like, I don't know, $1 a click or a lead or whatever, 50 cents a lead. And what happens is these guys already have an email list with people that are already purchasing affiliate products from them and other people. So these guys are perfect to purchase. But the problem is people think that, okay, I spend $100, let's just do a bit of a calculation here for a second, okay? They think, okay, I spent $100. Let's say I got 50 people on my list. I made $50 back. Okay, this sucks. I'm not doing this anymore. I made no money. Well, you will probably make that other 50 back here in the emails. Then you'll be at that 100 again. Then you'll be even after a couple of days. Then you've got the next week after that, the next month after that to continuously promote products to these people and make a bunch of money. And the thing is, once you perfect it, once you get this traffic working and you find a good seller, you can scale it and scale it and scale it and start to put $1,000 in, $2,000, and just putting that money back in. And then if you have recurring offers, you make money monthly from those anyway. So what you do here, guys, is you go to these people here and you just check out their stuff, see what's up, and they'll sell you what they call solo ad traffic, okay? So you go and purchase, you send them the link, or you put your link down here. So I just go like this. Where are we at? Okay, where are we at? Okay, I'm gonna get my link, and I'm gonna be like, make sure you've set everything up though, okay, properly. I'm gonna get my link, I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna add to cart, buy the clicks. They're gonna send the clicks to me. I'm gonna collect the emails, and it's gonna go on the email list, and hopefully get some sales. Even if you don't get any sales on the offer, it's not that bad, because you should be making most of your money in the email list as well. Okay, guys? That is literally how you make money fast online with Clickbank. This is the fastest way. And the best traffic is solo ads because it's designed for that. You can go on YouTube and find that's how everyone else is doing it because it's scalable. And it's not expensive. Facebook is like how much is it for a lead here? You're looking at like, let's just say we buy 35 cents per, is that per click? Let's say we spend 35 cents per click. Let's say we pay 80 cents per lead to $1 per lead, right? Or once they opt in. On Facebook, you're paying now $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 per lead. So these are way cheaper, all right? So I hope I kept that short enough for you guys. Literally, it's very hard to keep everything in a video, in a short, teach you everything in a short video. But what you do is, number one, you get the traffic, okay? You send that traffic to a free offer where you collect the email, which is this right here. We're just doing a bit of a recap, okay? This is where you collect the email, all right? Then that goes on to the email list where you promote more products and make more money. Then hopefully you get some sales here and you make more money. Now this might be, a lot of you guys probably already know this, but I still get asked how to make money fast with Clickbank or any other affiliate like this works with software, other affiliate programs. And this is literally the best beginner way to do this if you're a beginner with affiliate marketing and stuff like that, to get that traffic and use that particular traffic. Then you can start looking into webinars, and you can start looking into Facebook ads, and you can start looking into Google ads, then you can start looking into starting a YouTube channel, all that sort of stuff. But you want to get some money coming in, and this works, guys. I know it works because I know lots of people doing it. Okay, I don't use solo ad traffic myself now. I use Facebook ads because I've perfected it to make lots of money on my stuff. But this is kind of what you have to put in work, guys. It took me weeks to get these emails perfected and making me good money. This makes a lot. This right here, guys, has made over $1 million. No jokes. This has made over $1 million in income. We have webinars in here with $1,000 commissions that I get. This has made over $1 million. All right, guys, so that's how you can make money on Clickbank fast. If you have any questions, let me know below. If we can get 500 likes on this video, we'll have give away another free course, just like we did last week. And I'll see you guys in the next video.